Hoxe imos a viaxar ao Ézaro. Todos os anos, dende que M-Sport se encargou da organización do Ézaro, estivemos aquí presentes. Hoxe por fin conseguín subir, aínda que cunha bicicleta eléctrica, pero unha arma de doble filo.
You're still damn good, no one's gotten to you yet. You always said the cards would never do you wrong. The trick you said was never play the game too long.
Can we share the only risk that you would take? The only loss you could forsake, the only bluff you couldn't fake.
And you're still the same. I caught up with you yesterday. Moving game to game. No one's standing in your way. Turning on your charm long enough to get you by. You're still the same. You still aim high.
There you stood, everybody watched you play. I just turned and walked away. I had nothing left to say.
'Cause you're still the same. You're still the same. Moving game to game.
El corredor en chegar
Something's never changed. You're still the same. You're still the same.
Ah, coño, desde ahí, desde delante. No, aquí. Pero tapa la furgoneta. Que no, joder, allá. ¿No quieres ver a ver si voy a pasar?
Decía que hoxe por primeira vez fixeno cunha bicicleta eléctrica, un arma de doble filo, porque faltando 20 km a batería empezou a chivatear e cortouse. Tuve que subir ao Ézaro a golpe de pedal con 13 kilos máis do que pesa unha bicicleta normal, pero ao final, gracias ao apoio, ao empuxón que me dou Fran e Javier Laredo, que tamén me axudou a salir da curva de cemento.
There you stood, everybody watched you play. I just turned and walked away. I had nothing left to say.
'Cause you're still the same.
Esperamos que disfrutedes desta viaxe como sempre.
Moving game to game. Some things never change. You're still the same. You're still the same.